Welcome to Divine API. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of testing our Daily Horoscope Prediction API using Postman. Whether you're a developer looking to integrate astrology-based insights into your application or simply exploring the capabilities of our API, this step-by-step walkthrough will help you get started effortlessly. Let's dive in. To begin, you'll need an API key to authenticate your requests. Visit divineapi.com, where you can either log in or sign up for a 7-day free trial if you're new. Once logged in with your existing credentials, navigate to the API key section, where you will find both your API key and access token. Keep these handy, as they are required for authentication. Before proceeding, ensure you are logged into your Postman account. Next, visit divineapi.com, scroll down, and click on the Postman Collection link. Once there, click on Run in Postman. You will have the option to choose between Postman for Web or Postman for Windows. For this tutorial, we will select Postman for Web. Choose your preferred workspace, then click on Import to add the Divine API collection to your Postman environment. Once imported successfully, the Divine API Postman Collection will appear on your screen. Now, open the Horoscope and Tarot V2 API collection and select Daily Horoscope. Ensure the HTTP method is set to post. Next, click on the Authorization tab and select Bearer Token as the authentication type. Return to the Divine API dashboard, navigate to the API key section, and copy your access token. Go back to Postman. Paste the access token into the token field. Click on the Body tab to input the necessary parameters. Head back to the Divine API dashboard. Copy your API key and paste it into the API key value field in Postman. Next, enter the required details for your request. In the sign field, provide the Zodiac sign you want the horoscope for. For the date, you can use values like today, yesterday, or tomorrow to specify the prediction date. In the time zone field, enter the appropriate time zone offset. For example, for India, it is 5.5, but you should enter the correct value based on your location. Lastly, in the language field, the default is English, but you can select from other available language options. For more details on request parameters, visit our developer documentation at developers.divineapi.com, link provided in the video description. Once everything is set, click on Send. You will now see the API response displayed on the screen. For a detailed, step-by-step written guide, check out our article, Testing the Daily Horoscope Prediction API Using Postman, linked in the video description. If you encounter any errors, ensure that your API key and access token are correctly entered, as most issues stem from invalid or missing authentication details. For additional support or inquiries, feel free to contact our team at admin@divineapi.com. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Divine API tutorials.